Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso Machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. Nice shot of espresso. Testing the steam here. Really good, nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.